eye of the beholder, but the first official portrait of the Duchess of Cambridge is stirring up some controversy, with many saying it makes her look old and dowdy.
Our next guest is here to analyze this for us. Joining us now is Matt Sweetwood, president of Unique Photo, which is a huge operation in New Jersey, right?
That's correct.
Good to have you here, Matt.
Hey, great to be here.
Okay, so it took this portraitist, Paul Ilmsley, about 3.5 months to create this of Kate Middleton. What do you think of it?
Well, it's not really a question of what I think of it. It's really ultimately what the person whose portrait is thinks.
She likes it.
Right. And we have a lot of portrait photographers come in our store. We deal with them all the time. And one of the first rules of portraiture is you ask your subject what they want the portrait to be. I mean, she's a historical figure. I'm sure she sees herself like that. She's not a model going on Vogue magazine. No. So you don't want a picture like that. And then I sort of think of it in the reverse. Imagine if they had portrayed her as an 18 or 20-year-old, which, because the artist could have done that. Mm-hmm. Then we would be talking about how they objectified women, you know, how they just made her a beauty and it's not really what she's about. And I'm guessing that she's thinking, look, this portrait's going to be there for a long time. There's going to be a lot of history that goes on. For me, I'm going to be ruling a nation, or you know, whatever her position will be. And I really want to be remembered for the things that I do, not for the way I look. And that's what I'm guessing that she did. A lot of people are like that when they want portraits. They don't want retouched, perfect portraits.
Well, that's what I suppose is disturbing about this portrait, from my perspective, is it looks like a photograph almost. It doesn't look like a conventional oil painting. And there's something strange about that.
Yeah, I mean, that's the artist's style, I would guess. I mean, I certainly wouldn't want a picture of me done like that. I mean, I guess I'd want hair put on me and things like that. But yeah, I mean, it looks like an untouched photograph. Like if you look at a photographer's work before they've actually put it through Photoshop or put some work on it, absolutely.
But it looks like an untouched photograph of when she is 40 or 35, not of her now. And in fact, to your point, Kate apparently asked to be depicted in her natural state. She did not want it in her official state for a reason, and maybe it is, as you said, for posterity, that she wants this photo to be able to be used for generations to come. But she does look old. There are bags under her eyes here. She doesn't have the sort of color to her skin that she has in real life. So maybe he went overboard.
It could be, but I mean, she has some, I guess, say in what the final product is. I'm guessing if she didn't like it, she would have made him redo it.
And I bet we wouldn't have this reaction if it was a man.
100% right. If they had done a picture like this of Charles or William, nobody would really be talking about it. It's really because she's a pretty woman, and we want to see her as a pretty woman like we see her now. And when that happens, a lot of people get upset.
Yeah, because who cares what men look like?
Right, that's right.
Is there any person on the planet, gay, straight, in between, whatever, who's going to stare at a portrait of a man's face?
Certainly not me. I'm from Jersey, so
that's the spirit.
That says it all. Matt Sweetwood, again, you're the president of Unique Photo in Jersey. Thanks so much.
Nice job, Matt.
Thanks.
Let's get after Rick with a quick look at the weather.